Our family took advantage of the holiday and we have decided to have a quick gala in Tanay Rizal. We went to Turquesa Cafe and Restaurant. This is inside the vicinity of Pine Hills Farm. This is a perfect place for a quick family getaway or even a romantic date para sa couples na gusto ng nature. The restaurant offers a wide variety of food choices. From Filipino to Italian to American, meron sila. And the price? Reasonable siya. Ito yung mga in-order namin. Yung kanilang beef kare-kare na madami ang laman na ox stripe. Plus, winner yung bagoong nila. Next naman, na trinay namin is yung kanilang Caesar salad na may anghang because of the chili flakes na hinalo nila dito. We also tried their 300 to 400 plus na pizza. Ito yung kanilang chef special and yung margarita. Approved sa mga bata yung pizza, lalo na kay Elisha na nag-take out pa. For the pasta, we had the seafood marinara na medyo may anghang and their truffle pasta na hindi tinapid sa truffle oil. For dessert, I tried their mais con hielo and I like the leche flan na nilagay nila on top of it. So if you want to take a break from your busy schedule and gusto mo na malapit lang sa Metro Manila, you should try Turquesa. So yun lang, try nyo din dito, baka magustuhan nyo. Happy eating!